Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you have the Avata 2, and yes, we know this is a very durable drone, but if you're still concerned about, crashes or bumps, when you're flying this drone, I have a product that I received recently that I think is going to be a great solution for you. Now, that's from this brand that you guys see here, Sunny Life. I have the propeller protectors, the guards. So we're going to install these in this video, and I'm going to show you guys how these actually work. So you're going to receive 2 of them, and this is pretty much what they look like. Now, you can get them in a variety of different colors, but for what I was looking for is something that was going to match up with the color aesthetics of the drone. So I went with the orange. Now, to place these on, things that you will notice when you start to look at these is these are perfectly form-fitted for the shape of the propeller guards. So as you start to place these on, you just look for those landmarks like this section right here, and you can just kind of line that up the way it's supposed to be installed, and it's going to cover that perfectly. And then you're just going to press these on, guys, for the most part, and just follow all the way around, and they're going to be exactly where they need to be for the best coverage. And you're going to just repeat that on the opposite side. Again, you're looking for those landmarks, and just go ahead and place those on. That's pretty much it. Once you have everything pressed on, fit it in there perfectly. Once these are all the way on, you do not have to worry about them coming off. They're just in there. So this is pretty much what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from underneath. All right, so guys, this is what it's going to look like once you have these installed. You have now that additional bumper protection. So definitely check these out if you're really concerned about your drone crashing into things, bumping into things. This is going to be a win. All right, guys, been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to show you this quick little accessory that I think will be ideal for a lot of my drone pilots out there. Definitely check these out.